The morning sun was sharp over the county courthouse as Marcus Hayes approached the front steps. He was dressed in a navy blue suit, polished shoes, and carried a slim briefcase. To most passers-by, he looked like any other professional preparing for a day in court. But as Marcus neared the main doors, a uniformed court officer stepped in front of him, blocking his path. "Hold it!" the officer barked, glancing him up and down. "Defendants wait outside until they're called." Marcus paused, startled. "Excuse me, I'm not a defendant. I'm here for court business." The officer narrowed his eyes. "Don't play games with me. You can wait over there with the others." He pointed toward a small group of people, mostly dressed casually, waiting nervously near the benches. The assumption was obvious. Marcus was being judged not by his attire, but by the color of his skin. Suppressing his frustration, Marcus gave a faint smile. "Sir, I think there's a misunderstanding. I'm an attorney and I—" "Save it!" the officer snapped, cutting him off. "I know who belongs inside and who doesn't." Several people nearby began to watch, whispering at the tension building on the courthouse steps. Marcus could feel the humiliation pressing on him, but instead of arguing further, he calmly pulled out a leather badge holder from his briefcase. Inside was his official identification from the State Bar Association, along with a special clearance card issued to federal attorneys. The officer's smirk faded as he read the embossed lettering. Before he could say a word, the heavy courthouse doors swung open. A clerk leaned out, scanning the crowd. "Mr. Hayes, the judge is asking for you. Court is about to begin." The onlookers froze in silence. The very man the officer had tried to block was not a defendant at all, but the lead defense attorney in one of the most high-profile cases the county had seen in years. Marcus walked forward calmly, pausing only to glance back at the officer. "Next time, sir, judge by credentials, not assumptions." Inside, the judge greeted Marcus warmly. "Glad you're here, counselor. We couldn't begin without you." The courtroom buzzed as word spread about what had just happened outside. Even seasoned lawyers were left speechless by the irony. The man mistaken for a criminal was in fact the one entrusted to uphold justice. And as Marcus laid down his files on the polished oak table, he silently vowed that one day stories like this would no longer be shocking.